In this video, you'll learn how to retrieve deleted Microsoft forms so you can quickly get back any forms you may have removed by mistake. Maybe you were cleaning up old surveys or you thought you didn't need a form anymore and then realized you still needed the responses or the structure. The good news is that Microsoft Forms includes a built-in recycle bin, and if the form is still there, restoring it is very straightforward. I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, open Microsoft Forms. You can do this by going to the Microsoft Forms website in your browser or by opening it from your Microsoft 365 app launcher. If you're already signed in, make sure you're using the same account where the form was originally created, whether that's a work, school, or personal account. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your login details before you can continue. Once Microsoft Forms opens, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, go to the section called My Forms. This area lists all of the forms that belong to you, including any you've created for quizzes, surveys, feedback, or registration. If you don't see My Forms right away, it's usually one of the main tabs or sections at the top of the page. So look for that label and click it to view your personal collection of forms. On the My Forms page, you'll see your active forms displayed in a grid or list. To find deleted forms, scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. Keep scrolling until you reach the end of your visible forms. At the very bottom, you'll see an option called Recycle Bin. This is where Microsoft Forms temporarily stores items you've deleted, similar to the Recycle Bin or trash folder on your computer. Go ahead and select Recycle Bin to open it. Inside the Recycle Bin, you'll see a list of forms that have been deleted but are still recoverable. This includes forms you may have removed recently, and depending on your organization's settings, they might stay here for a certain period of time before being permanently removed. Take a moment to look through the list and find the form you want to bring back. You can usually identify it by its title, thumbnail, or the date it was deleted. If you have many items, scroll through carefully so you don't miss it. When you've found the form you want to restore, select that form. This usually means clicking directly on the form tile or its name so that it's highlighted or checked. Make sure you've chosen the correct one, especially if you have several forms with similar names. With the form selected, click the Restore option. This action tells Microsoft Forms to move the form out of the recycle bin and back into your main My Forms list. After a moment, the form will no longer appear in the recycle bin and you'll be able to access it again just like any other active form. All of its questions, structure, and in many cases responses should be available, depending on how and when it was deleted. That's all you need to do. By opening Microsoft Forms, going to My Forms, accessing the recycle bin, selecting your deleted form and clicking Restore, you can quickly recover a form you thought was gone.